The death toll from floods and landslides in the east of the Democratic Republic of Congo has risen to at least 203 people. Heavy rainfall in the Kalehe region of South Kivu province on Thursday caused rivers to overflow, causing landslides that engulfed the villages of Bushushu and Nyamukubi. Several villages were submerged and many houses were washed away when rivers burst their banks due to heavy rains. Nobel Peace Prize winner Denis Mukwege has sent a team of surgeons, anesthetists, and technicians to the area to provide emergency medical aid. Do like, comment, and subscribe to the American Journal for latest shorts.